It was early on a Monday morning when JC stopped this Land Rover in front of Kleinjan's workshop. His instructions were brief. He didn't make a long story about it. Fix this thing, please. It's a mess. First thing Kleinjan and Akita did was to sort the winch out. That thing was not working. Then they cleaned up the harness. It was a real mess, as JC said. And then Kleinjan went through the chassis. He had to make sure everything was operational. And being a Land Rover, obviously he had to check the diff for oil leaks. Then it was time to call Smitty in. The Landy was in need of a decent roof rack. And Smitty is the best that Renosterkop has. So Smitty jumped in and started fabricating a roof rack for the Landy. While Smitty was on the roof, Kleinjan and Nikita went through the chassis and made sure everything was operational. Next up was Lenny. The Landy was in need of proper lights. And as usual, Lenny knew exactly how to do it. He went through the motions and made sure everything was working as it was supposed to work. Kleinjan and Nikita took the Landy for a quick spin to see how the lights is performing, and they are happy. There's some more work to be done to the vehicle, obviously, but overall it's okay. I'm happy. Kleinjan is just a little bit confused. He doesn't know why his father was all over him about this vehicle. He doesn't know who owns the vehicle, nothing. He knows nothing about this vehicle. But his dad was adamant. Things must be done, and it must be done quickly. So, he did it. But he's intrigued. I wonder what the story is.